Welcome back to my place. Today we're going to plant out some of those seeds and sprouted veggies that we've been collecting over the past few weeks. I started collecting seeds from cherry tomatoes and leaving them to dry a month ago. Then 3 weeks ago I planted some of the seeds in used eggshells in cartons, and about half of them have successfully sprouted. Now I'm going to transfer them for further growth before I put them into the veggie garden. First, let me show you what I do with this little tomato. Oh, look at all those seeds in there. I'm just going to lay them out on a paper towel, and when they're dry, I'll store them for next time. Now that our little tomatoes are transplanted, had a drink, I'm going to watch them closely till they're ready to go out into the garden. Do you think that this is something you could do? I reckon it is. Now, do you remember the little celery from our last video? Here's another one who also has a root growing, and he too is ready to go out into the garden. So let's take him out there. Have you tried this yet? I'd love to hear if you have. So here's a picture of the avocado that I used to grow this 2.5 years ago. Thanks for coming to my house today. I look forward to seeing you again soon. In the meantime, stay well, stay happy, and stay thankful. Bye.